अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। और अभी आई केम अक्रॉस अ स्टेटमेंट बाय बिग रैमी, a die-hard fan, let me say that first, कि he believes that Mr. Olympia and Arnold Classic, they don't want someone from the Middle East to win. बट इसके दो पहलू हैं। लेट्स डिस्कस फर्स्ट जो इस बात को निगेट करती है। पहली बात तो ये है कि मिस्टर Big Ramy has won Mr. Olympia twice. He deserved the third. Without a shadow of a doubt, he was supposed to win. He was, जो मर्जी आप कह लो, he deserved to win. फिर Hadi Choopan has won Mr. Olympia once, and he has also won Mr. Arnold in the Arnold Classic in the past. और Andrew Jack is Nigerian, यार, come on, he deserved to win. Comparatively, he was far better than Hadi, and not far better than Hadi, but he was better than Hadi, and far better than Nick the Mutant. Again, at the same time, Hadi was far better than Nick, and he deserved second place. After the amount of suffering he has been through, the amount of sacrifices he has made, and to show up in a condition that he was in, hands down, he was supposed to be second. और चूंकि उसे थर्ड प्लेस किया तो यहाँ से काफ़ी शक व शुबात नज़र आते हैं। फिर मिस्टर बिग रैमी को मिस्टर ओलंपिया तीसरा नहीं जीतने दिया, तो ये बातें चलती रहेंगी। लेकिन बोथ आर लेजेंड्स ऑफ द गेम, आप जो मर्जी कह लें। हादी विल ऑलवेज हैव अ स्पेशल प्लेस। बिग रैमी, तो यार कम ऑन, नो वन हैज़ एवर हैड व्हील्स लाइक हिम। तो again, I hope he hasn't made that statement, but at the same time, that statement was important as well.